Welcome to the Riverwood National High School, home of future leaders, innovators, and skilled professionals. The heart of our institution lies General Academic Strand, or GAS, a program designed to equip students with holistic knowledge and skills. Among our diverse academic offerings is the General Academic Strand, or GAS, a program designed to equip students with a broad knowledge, base, and versatile skills. The General Academic Strand at Libertad National High School is designed to prepare students for future success. Whether students choose to pursue higher education, enter the workforce, or start their own ventures, the program equips them with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to excel in their chosen path. Our General Academic Strand offers a broad education that can be applied to any field. It's a flexible curriculum designed for the curious minds, the dreamers, and also the explorers. What I love about GasStrand is the sense of community. We're all learning together, supporting each other, and growing as individuals. Being in the GasStrand, it allows me to explore different fields. It's like getting taste of everything, which helped me to decide what I want to pursue in the future.